Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm one of the physiotherapists. Thank you for coming in today with Ethan to show us his boots and bar that he wears for his clubfoot.
What is clubfoot, Sarah?
So it's when a baby is born and their foot points down the way and then in the way. It's a structural problem of the foot where some of the joints sit out of position and some of the muscles and tendons are just not as good quality as they should be. Sometimes it's just noticed when the baby is born, but sometimes it's picked up antenatally, as it was with you. How did you feel when you were told that Ethan had clubfoot at that 20-week scan?
In the 20-week scan, definitely was the shock. Obviously we never knew what clubfoot was.
So the treatment usually consists of plaster casts to bring the feet round into a better position, and then a lot of the babies require a little surgical release done at the back of the heel. And Ethan, we started plaster casting when he was, I think, 2 weeks of age. He's then been wearing the brace, which we call the boots and bar, and he wore that full time to start with, and then he's been wearing it overnight since then. He's going to be wearing this until he's 5. How does that feel?
Quite hard to cope at first. Obviously not just being the same as any other child, but if it wasn't for you and your team, then you wouldn't be walking today for it.
Yeah. But it's all down to your hard work now as well to follow that on, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's great that you guys work as a team to help Ethan wear his boots and bar. That routine and consistency that you give him is so important, because it's so important that he never feels this is a punishment, but yet it can't be negotiable. He has to wear this, and I think what you guys have done is turn it around to be something really positive. So this is something that makes his feet good rather than something that's a big chore. Okay, so let's have a little look at Ethan and see how his feet are doing. So Ethan, do you want to come and have a little seat up on this chair for me? Okay, so Ethan, we'll just take your shoes off and your socks off, and let's have a little look. Superman socks today. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Okay. And doing wiggle wiggles. Good boy, and then shall we do a tickle? Clever boy. So his feet are looking great. Ethan, can you stand up for me? Good boy. That's it. And then can you have a little walk over there? You get the truck. Good boy. And then bring the truck back and have a seat. That's it. Okay, do you want to sit back up here? That's it. Oh, good boy. You're putting your foot out ready for me. And then shall we try and make sure that your boots fit? So I think he's still got plenty of space in these boots. And then this one. Can I have this foot? Good boy. You are being so good. And this bit. Shall we put it on? Good boy. There we go. So I think that fits perfectly at the moment, doesn't it? So are there times where you find it difficult to get Ethan to wear the boots and bar at bedtime, or he doesn't want to wear them?
We've never really experienced any difficult times with Ethan. He's never really refused to wear them. Again, it's part of the routine. We've installed that in him. But yeah, definitely there has been times where I've been travelling on holiday and stuff that we've gave also the night off with them. 99% of the time we do have them on. They're at 1%, and the reason for that is for every opportunity you don't put them on him, there's that opportunity for him to refuse and down the line not have them on.
No, you're absolutely right, and I think it's really important as he gets a bit older, if he goes for a sleepover, a grandparents or something like that, that they know the importance of still wearing it, and that he's not just given a night off as a treat, because that makes it difficult for him to understand why that happens.
Is there any special shoes out with wearing the boots and bar at night that we need to take into consideration?
No, he can wear normal shoes, but he should always get them supplied from a good shoe shop where he's well fitted for them. Yeah.
If he does really well, will he be able to come off the boots and bar any sooner?
Well, we believe that it would be better for him to continue in them until he is 5. There's lots and lots of evidence that tells us that if we take them off before that, he could run into problems, even though his feet look great right now. So no, very important to keep going until he is at least 5. So thank you very much for coming in today to show us Ethan and his bits and bar. And Ethan, shall we take this off now, because it's not bedtime, is it? You sit down. Can you sit? Good boy. And shall we take this off? There we go. But you can put this back on again tonight at bedtime.